everybody, hope you're all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on Quick Guide. Today in this video I'm going to guide you through how to log out to a Wendy's account. So if you want to log out your existing Wendy's account by any means and you do not know how to get started, then this video is for you. Today in this video I'm going to absolutely guide you through the process of logging out to a Wendy's account. So if you want to learn how, then keep watching the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, in order to log out to a Wendy's account, first of all, go ahead and tap on Google. Wendy's application is not available in my area, so hence I'm gonna go to Google, search for Wendy's and then access its website and then go and log out. But if you are available with its app on your mobile phone, then well and good, you can go ahead and tap on that app and follow the same procedure as I do here. Now go ahead and tap Wendy's and then tap on search. Now go ahead and tap on first option that says Wendy's. Now you will be appeared with this screen on your mobile phone, so go ahead and tap on account in the top right corner, and then here, as you can see, many options which has been available here. So we are going to log out, so the option of log out is at the last, so go ahead and tap on log out. And then there you go. Now you can again log into account and get set with your account. So that's how we can easily log out our Wendy's account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.